Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to use Grammarly for free. Want to enhance your writing without spending a dime? Let me show you how to use the free versions of Grammarly. You can go to Microsoft Store and type Grammarly to install it. Click on the first link and then hit that install button. Or if you do not want to install, then you can simply go to your browser and type Grammarly. Now open Grammarly. And then sign up for free. Once you are set up, start typing in any text field and Grammarly will automatically check your spellings, grammar and punctuations. Click on the underlined text to see and apply suggestions. Enjoy all the great benefits of Grammarly in free version. You can even get your AI assistant in the free version too. If you find this video helpful, then hit that like, share and subscribe button. And thank you for watching this video.